this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is the June release for scrapdivadesigns.com. I want to go ahead and go over all of the dies that are out for this month, and I'm happy to share. So, you guys, Scrap Diva Designs, this is her information, Instagram, YouTube. She also has a TikTok, so I'll have that linked below. There is a hashtag as well. Here it is here, Scrap Diva Designs. Be sure to check out that hashtag to gain so much inspiration from other talented crafters creating with her dies. I do have a discount code for you. It's V10%. That is VEE10 and the percent sign. So that'll be linked below as well. So let's start off with this one already. So I think this one is one of my favorites because it is the Scalloped Circle Shaker Tag Set. The size is approximately 3.5 by 3 inches. It contains 6 pieces. You do have the base. You also have layering pieces. You can make a shaker out of this as well. And I just love shaker tags. I just think, I don't know, they're just so adorable. I just love this. So this is going to be definitely a fave for me. The next one is this here. It is the flower pot gift card holder. The size or the pieces is 18 pieces as far as the size. So it depends on how far you want to build out your flowers. So it comes with the, of course, the pot, and it also comes with the flowers on the back as well as some greenery. So definitely a cute card. So this triangle here is where you would put your note, and then you can also add sentiments, and we'll go over some sentiments that are released for this month. I do have a mistake here. I'm not sure why I have size and piece there, but ignore that. So that one's a cute one. Can't wait to play with this one as well. So this one here is the card stand. The size is 5 5/8 by 3 3/4, and it comes with 7 pieces. So it is a card stand. So you do get the base. You also get a layering piece. And as you can see, there's some hearts there. So that is the decorative part of this die. This is going to be a cute one as well to hold all of our cards. And if for Christmas especially, you're going to want one of these to put all of your cards on your mantle. That would be so cute to have a stand for each one. If you get more than I know some people will get lots of cards, so they'll probably have to hang those on their tree or whatnot, however you display your cards on the wall, on the doors, however. But this one is a cute one too for the holidays. So the next one is the Baby Girl mini album. The size is 5.5 by 5.5, and it's such a cute die, you guys, for baby showers, for a little girl's birthday, for some sort of takeout, you know, tea party for your little ones. Sometimes mothers love to have tea parties with their daughters, and this one would be such an amazing, cute little mini album. You can also do some party bags with this. This would be a cute decorative party bag for a baby shower as well. So a princess as well. This is, you could, the sky's the limit with this one. So I love mini albums, so that's going to be a cute one. So these are the bigger dies that came in, but my absolute favorite is this shaker tag. I cannot wait to play with these. So these are all it here. I can't wait to share with you what I create. So let's go ahead and go over the smaller ones. So first off here, we have the foam flower bundle. It has 18 pieces. So I'm definitely going to use it as it says here. It's the foam. So I will be using foam with this instead of paper. And that way, I think, that way you can get an idea of what it should be and how it should look. So it also comes with some greenery. So such a cute piece. Nothing on the back, so you get all the 18 pieces right here in front. So you do get a large, a medium, and a small. The next one, I'm going to show them in threes here. So you get the baby words 1, 2, and 3. Let me put them in order. So I do have a label here so you can see. So here you have baby words number 1, 12 pieces. The sentiment for that one is bottle, shower, welcome, girl, baby, and boy. So that's what it is here. I love her sentiments. Scrap Diva Designs has some cute sentiments. So for the middle here, we do have baby words number 2. Comes with 12 pieces. Precious joy, oh baby, sweet love, bundle of joy. So you can mix and match these sentiments as well. So again, you get the base and you also get the wording for that. So the last one here is the baby words number 3, 10 pieces. It says new arrival, grandchild, twins, little one, and adoption. I just love that it includes adoption and twins because those are hard to come by as well. So keep in mind, if you are interested in this, you would want to pick this one up immediately because her dies do sell out really quick. She also mentioned that these are available in a bundle, so take a look at that as well. So I can't wait to put those with all of the other dies here. So this one is a toaster, you guys. I've never played with a toaster, so this is gonna be very interesting to see what I make. It's the size is 5.5 by 3.5, and it comes with 5 pieces. So the first piece is located here in the front. The other pieces are in the back. So this is the layering, and you get a heart, and you also get some notches for the handles. So if you can see here on each side of the toaster, we have handles. So those would go there. So I'm very intrigued by what I will be creating with this because this is very definitely out of my element. So, and also this. The last one is a toaster and egg set. The size is 2 2/4 by, I believe, 3. I think it says 3 there. Let's open this and make sure. So I'd like to mention that it doesn't come with a label. I placed this label here. So it's 3 3/4 by 2 inches, and you get 7 pieces. So here you get the base for the toast, and you also get the layering piece for the toast. So you can make this into a shaker if you'd like, or you could just layer the pieces up. You also get the egg, and you get 2 utensils, the knife and the fork. So that one's cute. All we need is bacon, you guys. Where is the bacon? So yeah, so this is going to be very interesting to see what I create. This is definitely my element, and I'm very excited to tackle this challenge with these two and see what I create. So you guys, I would like to share with you the word dies. So I'm going to go ahead and die cut these out and share with you what they look like. So, and I'm going to move these over, and here they are. Here is baby words number 1. I did cut them out in blue and pink and backed them with white. I just love how the white looks against color. It just looks so, just brings the wording. But this is baby words number 2. Love it. And the last one, baby words 3. Here it is, same colors, same background. Well, you guys, that concludes the video. I can't wait to share with you all of my projects that I will be making very soon. And stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.